Hello, dear students! During our lesson today, we are going to speak about different activities. Also, we'll talk about climbing center rules. Practice to read and understand the text, practice to answer the questions, and solve the rebuses. Do you know how to solve the rebus? Look at the picture. What do we see? It's a spoon. But we have to take from this word letters O and N. So letters S, P, O left. Let's go on. Next, we can see a rat. Take from this word letter A. What do we have? Letters R and T. So let's make our word. The letters from the first word plus the letters from the second word. And what is the answer? Take your time and think. That's right. It's a word sport. You already know many sport activities. How many sports can you name? You can stop the video and think. But I want to help you. So, there are some hints. Badminton, board game, card game, climbing, cricket, dance class, diving, fishing, fitness class, golf, karate, puzzle, skateboarding, skiing, video game. And here is your answer. Each sport needs special equipment. Let's check up how we know the names of sport equipment or sport kit. Board game, board and counters, dice, golf, clubs and ball, climbing, ropes, special shoes, cricket, bat, ball, dance class, special shoes, karate, special clothes, badminton, racket and shuttlecock, fishing, rod, diving, swimsuit and goggles, skiing, skis, boots, warm clothes, skateboarding, skateboard, card game, cards, puzzle, pencil or pen, fitness class, sports clothes, video game, games console. Now, let's try to write about your favorite sport or activity using the ideas below. Numbers of players, special equipment, sports kit, how you play, and who wins. Look at this slide and read the example. My favorite sport. I love playing football. Football is my favorite sport. I play football every day with my friends. Playing football keeps our body healthy and agile. Football is an outdoor sport played on an open field. You need boots and a uniform to play football well. Football is played between two teams. Each team consists of 11 players. This game lasts 90 minutes, which is split in two parts of 45 minutes each. There are many sport clubs. You can choose any activity you like. We have a message from Max and he goes to the climbing club. Let's read his message and then we'll talk about the rules in this club. I belong to Cool Zone Climbing Club now. You don't have to be a member to climb there, but it's cheaper if you are. Why don't you become a member too? It's really easy to join. I just had to fill in a form and agree to the club rules. I didn't have to bring a photo. They took one of me there and made my membership card. Max. Now let's look at the climbing center rules. You must show your membership card every time you come. You must not lend your membership card to anyone else. You do not have to bring your own climbing shoes. You must not talk to people when they are climbing. You must not take photos or record videos. If you are under 12, you must climb with an adult. You must climb with a partner if you are a beginner. You do not have to book if you come on a weekday. You must not stand under people when they are climbing. If you have an accident, you must tell a member of staff. Okay, guys, were you attentive? If you were, then you can answer these questions. What sort of club is Cool Zone? What does Max want his friend to do? Can you climb? Would you like to learn? What sports clubs are there in your school? Do you belong to any of them? Take your time, stop this video and write your answers. And the right answers are: Cool Zone is a climbing club. Max wants his friend to become a member of this club. No, I cannot, but I want to learn. There are singing club and rugby club in my school. I am a member of rugby club. We have our trainings 3 times a week. So guys, we did a great job. Now we can have a rest.
Get ready to clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Now let's pat our knees. Pat, pat, pat your knees. Pat your knees together. Pat, pat, pat your knees. Pat your knees together. Can you stomp your feet? Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet together. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet together. Now let's blink our eyes. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. Get ready to wiggle your ears. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears together. Now clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together.
Let's continue our lesson. Did you like to solve the rebus? Let's solve another one. On the first picture, we can see a chimpanzee. From this word, take the first, the second, the sixth, the fourth, the fifth, and the third letters. In the second picture, we can see a hippo. Take off from this word first 4 letters and add letter N. What word do we have? It's a champion. And now look at the pictures of our Ukrainian champions in different kinds of sport. Олег Верняєв, gymnastics. Лілія Подкопаєва, gymnastics. Дар'я Білодід, judo. Жан Беленюк, wrestling. Олександр Усик, boxing. Еліна Світоліна, tennis. Dear children, we've read about climbing center rules. Can you answer these questions? Let's start. Take your time, stop the video, and write your answers. Is it okay for your friend to use your membership card? Can you chat to your friends while climbing? Can you take photos in the club? Is it okay to climb alone if you are 14? Is it necessary to book if you go on Monday? Can you stand under people when they are climbing? Check your answers. Now we have another interesting task. Try to make as many words as possible from the word skateboarding. Stop this video, take your time and try to do your best. Your possible answers: tear, skate, board, road, bat, ski, tea, red, reading, eating, darts, star, ring, beard, garden, king. We have solved rebuses during our lesson. So now let's try to solve the riddle about sport. What sport involves kicking, passing, and scoring goals on a grassy field? It's not a dance, but you use your feet to advance. What am I? You are right, it's a football. I Climb a water sport in which you breathe through oxygen tanks and explore underwater sites. It's a scuba diving. I'm a leisure sport involving casting hooks. It would help if you had patience waiting for fish to bite. What am I? Fishing. Now let's try to read a poem and name words instead of pictures. Stop this video, think, and try to read. Here is your key. Sport is fun for girls and boys. It's much better than toys. You can sledge and ski and skate and throw snowballs with Kate. You can swim and play football, hockey, tennis and basketball. You can jump and you can run. You can have a lot of fun. So, at last we are at the end of our lesson. Your home task is to write sport activities in their places. Games, water sports, racket sports, winter sports, individual sports, and team sports. Here is your answer. Games: board game, card game, video game. Water sports: diving, sailing, swimming. Racket sports: badminton, table tennis, tennis. Winter sports: skiing, snowboarding, ice skating. Individual sports: climbing, golf, fishing. Team sports: cricket, basketball, football. So, in our lesson today, we have talked about different sports, learned about the rules of the climbing club, practiced to read and understand the text, practiced to answer the questions. Also, we have solved the rebuses and the riddles. Think what tasks were difficult for you. Why? What tasks you still have to work on? And what tasks were easy and interesting? And I hope that our lesson was interesting and useful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.